In a world where our personal data is more vulnerable than ever, the intersection of quantum computing and artificial intelligence offers a revolutionary solution to enhance our digital privacy. Imagine a future where your sensitive information is protected by the most advanced technology known to humankind. Quantum AI is not just a concept of the future, it is already beginning to reshape how we think about cybersecurity. This technology combines the immense processing power of quantum computing with the adaptive capabilities of artificial intelligence, creating a robust defense against cyber threats. As we dive deeper into this topic, consider how this innovation could transform your online experience. If you find this information valuable, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the future of technology and privacy. To appreciate how quantum AI can protect our digital privacy, it's essential to understand what quantum computing is. Unlike classical computers that use bits as the smallest unit of data, quantum computers utilize qubits. These qubits can exist in multiple states simultaneously, thanks to a phenomenon known as superposition. This allows quantum computers to perform complex calculations at speeds unimaginable with traditional technology. Additionally, quantum entanglement enables qubits that are entangled to share information instantaneously, regardless of distance. This unique capability opens up new avenues for processing and analyzing vast amounts of data, making quantum computing a powerful tool in the fight against cybercrime. Now let's explore how artificial intelligence fits into this picture. AI systems are designed to learn from data, recognize patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. By integrating AI with quantum computing, we can create systems that not only process data faster, but also adapt to new threats in real time. For instance, AI algorithms can analyze user behavior to detect anomalies that may indicate a security breach. When combined with the computational power of quantum systems, these algorithms can operate on a scale that was previously unattainable. This synergy between AI and quantum computing is crucial for developing proactive cybersecurity measures that can anticipate and neutralize threats before they cause harm. So, how exactly does quantum AI enhance our personal digital privacy? One of the most significant advantages is the ability to encrypt data in a way that is virtually unbreakable. Quantum encryption uses the principles of quantum mechanics to create secure communication channels. For example, quantum key distribution allows two parties to share a secret key securely, ensuring that any attempt to intercept the key would be detectable. This level of security is a game changer for personal data protection, as it significantly reduces the risk of data breaches and identity theft. Furthermore, quantum AI can continuously monitor and analyze data traffic, identifying potential vulnerabilities in real time and adjusting security protocols accordingly. The potential applications of quantum AI in personal digital privacy are vast. Financial institutions are already exploring quantum technologies to secure transactions and protect sensitive customer information. Healthcare providers are also looking into quantum solutions to safeguard patient data, ensuring that medical records remain confidential. Additionally, social media platforms can utilize quantum AI to enhance user privacy settings, giving individuals more control over their data and how it is shared. As these technologies continue to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications that prioritize user privacy and security. While the prospects of quantum AI are exciting, there are challenges to overcome. The technology is still in its infancy, and widespread adoption will require significant advancements in both quantum hardware and software. Moreover, there is a need for regulatory frameworks that address the ethical implications of using such powerful technology. As we navigate these challenges, it is crucial for individuals to remain informed about their digital privacy rights and the tools available to protect themselves. By staying educated, we can better advocate for policies that promote the responsible use of quantum AI in enhancing our personal cybersecurity. As we stand on the brink of a new era in digital privacy, quantum AI presents a promising solution to the growing threats we face online. By harnessing the power of quantum computing and artificial intelligence, we can create a safer digital landscape for everyone. It is essential to stay engaged with these developments and understand how they can impact our lives. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Join us as we continue to explore the fascinating world of technology and its implications for our future. Together, we can navigate the complexities of digital privacy and empower ourselves with the knowledge to protect our personal information.